This is a Goodman, a slanting Goodman. You can obviously see that it's tilting out that way, which is never good. It is currently broken. I have no idea what's wrong with it, but it is a, oh, it's faded. I think a 2.5 ton. I recorded this unit a very long time ago, but I know it's original to the house, so I'll have to go back in the video and put everything in the description, but I'm pretty sure it's a 2.5 ton. It's got a scroll compressor, and it is a heat pump, I do believe. Yeah, it's a heat pump. It's very sweaty in there. I went visiting friends, and here's the air conditioner. It is a Goodman. This is a heat pump. This is a Goodman heat pump. It's one of the newer models. Model is CPLJ30-1B, 2.5 ton. Serial is 0503239688. So, and it just turned on. It's in heating mode. It has a Goodman too. You can barely see it. It's right there. So all these houses have Goodmans.